Spend a Sunday at home with me. I'm having a chilled one today because I went out 5 times last week. I feel like you can tell by the sound of my voice that I am so tired. Definitely caught up with me and I have a cold now. Anyway, started my morning like I normally do, sorted the dogs out, and then thought I'd make some eggs for breakfast this morning and of course a coffee. Robin got me this Nespresso machine for my birthday and honestly, I've been using it every day. The coffee is so good. Whilst I was filming my breakfast, I completely forgot I left the coffee machine running. Oops. I had a date with me for breakfast this morning. My big boy loves eating breakfast with me. This is his chair at the table. I journaled and then I gave the dogs their advent calendar. They're loving this every morning. Sundays are bubble bath days and Sundays are also no makeup days. Couldn't be bothered to wash my hair today, so I spritzed it with water and I slicked it back, did some skincare and then picked out a mantra for the day, which was, I am ready to step outside of my comfort zone. Sadly, couldn't lounge around on the sofa today. When you live that self-employed life, you've got to do your VAT return. It took me hours, but then I had cuddles at the end with the doggies, so it was worth it. Wrapped up warm because it is freezing here in the UK now, guys. Popped out to Waitrose to grab some lunch and dinner. Then Robin collects trading card games and we got some Disney Lorcana cards. Not gonna lie, they were fun to open. And oh my god, I hit a huge milestone on YouTube for me. I've literally been working my arse off for years to try and grow my YouTube channel, so I'm very happy about that. Had some dinner, walked the dogs, and then nearly set the house on fire because my matchstick just flew across the room. But once I finally lit my candle, I relaxed, I did some Christmas shopping, and got some cute cuddles from Big Big.